Hello mga chingo! Welcome back to my channel. Today is another day because it's vlog day. Tama ba yan? So yun guys, today is gagawa tayo ng 10 facts about me because in my previous video is hindi yung maganda. Kumuha ko doon ng Q&A challenge pero ito ngayon. I-post ko na to and this is a 10 facts about me. So, if you like it, please like and subscribe. And click the bell. So mga chingu, let's start. So guys, number 1. Pangalan ko is Jane Chloe Tongkwa. Yes. Number 2. Birthday ko is July 8, 2007. Sleep ka? Tulog ka? Number 3. Ako ay 13 years old, going 14 years old in July. Number 4. So guys, yung address ko is general lang to ah. So nakatira ako sa Negros Occidental, Talisay City. Number 5. So, ang grade ko ngayon is grade 8, going grade 9. Number 6. School ko is RBL Namiches. Burr. Number 7. Favorite food. So, pinaka-favorite food ko is marami. Pero ano talaga? Vegetables and street food. Sabi? Yan. Number 8. Favorite pet. So, yung pinaka-favorite kong pet is so, yan mga chingo. Number 8. Ang favorite kong pet is aso at pusa. Yun lang. Number 9. Minsan na tinatawag sa akin is Chloe, Jane, Inday. Number 10. Crush. Nung grade 6 ako, meron akong crush, pero ngayon, wala. Yes. So, yun ang mga chingu. Tapos na ang aking 10 facts about me. So, if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell. See you mga chingu. Bye-bye.